Hey, welcome back. Today let's go over the Russian chain stitch. I'm going to come up in between my 3 lines and I'm going to start just like I would a lazy daisy. So I'm going to bring my needle back down right next to where I first came up, and I'm going to leave a little loop of my working thread on the top of the fabric, and when I bring my needle back up, it's going to be right through this little loop. And I'm going to pull that through and secure the loop, which I forgot to film, so let me show you on this side. Got my loop, I'm pulling my needle through the loop and then making a securing stitch just over top. Now step 3 of this stitch, I'm going to come below a stitch length away from my 2 loops, and I'm going to weave my needle underneath both of the loops just like this. And the next link on this chain is going to be attached to those 2 first loops that I made, and repeat the same process from step 1. To end this stitch, you're going to end on step 3 with the last link in your chain in the middle and bring it down through the fabric, and just like this, tie a knot on the back side. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day.